So this is how we can stop a workout on the Apple Watch. Let's get into it. So whenever you just get inside of the workouts app and begin any kind of workout with any goal in mind, you essentially get to a page where you have the time, you have some other information like your heartbeat, and you also find like calories and everything. And in order to get outside of that and just stop your workout, you need to swipe to the left, right? So when you get in here, you swipe like on the other side you have the music player, but if you swipe the other direction you can find the pause button. You also have the stop, the cancel, the red X icon, which we need to click on it to stop the workout, and that's essentially how we can do this. So it is relatively simple. You just have to do this and the workout will be saved. But there are also some other settings when you open up the Watch app on a paired iPhone, and from the apps you get to pick the Workouts app. You also have some different things in here, right? So you have the auto pause, for example, which is a feature you can turn on or off. And the auto pause will just automatically pause certain workouts when you stop moving, and it will resume when you start again. So it is okay to just keep that in mind, that it is possible. And also below you have like a section for the reminders. So if you just start moving around, you might get a reminder to start a workout, or to click resume if you just started to move again, or to end workout. So if you would like to, that is a great way, or a great reminder, that whenever you just stop working, then you get a pop-up on the watch to tell you to click the stop to end, and therefore stop tracking that workout specifically. So that's it. That's everything I wanted to let you know about. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video, subscribe for more tutorials similar to this one, and I'll see you in the future.